Hello! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, are inflatable kayaks safe in the ocean? We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post by go to the link below. So let's dive in. Kayaking is one of the most fun water sports. If you love the ocean and crave adventure, kayaking is the perfect hobby for you. If you are just starting out, you may have tons of questions about kayaking. For instance, it is important to figure out which kayak suits you the best. A lot of beginner kayakers want to know if inflatable kayaks are safe in the ocean. You would probably like to know the answer to that too. Luckily, you found the right post. Through this article, you will come to learn all about inflatable kayaks, including how safe they are to use in the ocean. So, without further ado, let us jump right into it. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, can you use inflatable kayaks in the ocean? Number 2, maintaining your inflatable kayak. Number 3, are all inflatable kayaks safe for the ocean? Number 4, the advantages of inflatable kayaks. Number 5, disadvantages of inflatable kayaks, and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.